designers led by Eugene Stoner set out to produce a rifle that was lighter, had a greater volume of fire, but still had enough accuracy at short distances.
Way low? Yeah. Impact.
This animation will explain the basic principle of AR-15 style rifles, such as the M16. The standard M16 was equipped with a carrying handle and iron sight. Let's have a look at the M16's trigger mechanism. Initially, the M16 assault rifle could fire in semi-automatic and fully automatic mode. When in safe mode, the trigger cannot be pulled because of the selector's shape. When the selector is moved to semi-automatic mode, the recess in the bottom of the selector allows the trigger to move when it is pulled. As soon as the trigger is pulled, it releases the hammer. When the bolt carrier pushes down the hammer, the disconnector locks it in place. Before another shot can be fired, the trigger must be released so that the trigger sear engages the hammer again. In fully automatic
lighter, more convenient to use, with enhanced rapid firing. These are the descriptions of the M4 rifle which will be used by the Philippine Army soldiers. M16 rifle is still what the Philippine Army troops are currently using.
全長は812ミリ。